everyone, this is Madhavi Andra and welcome back to my channel Achieve Your Dream. Today in this video we'll be discussing about the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. So let's get started. Firstly, it was formed on 1871. At that time, this Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare was named as Department of Revenue and Agriculture and Commerce. Until then, this was into the this agriculture was within the portfolio of Home Department. In 1881, later in 1881, the Department of Revenue and Agriculture was set up with a deal of combination portfolios of education, health, agriculture and revenue. However, in 1947, the Department of Agriculture was redesigned as Ministry of Agriculture. This Ministry of Agriculture was again renamed on August 15, 2015. They have redesigned as Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. And in this, at present, this ministry is called as Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, which take care of all the communities related to the farming sector. This Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare was formed on the branch of it was a branch of Government of India. It is an apex body which formulates, administrate all the rules and regulations, laws related to agriculture in India. There are three broad areas in this Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, that is Ministry of Agriculture, Food Processing and Corporation. And present, the Ministry of Agriculture was headed by the Ministry of Agriculture, Narendra Singh Tomor and Abhishek Singh Chauhan, Krishna Raj and Purushottam Bai Rupala was the Ministries of State. Okay, and next we'll be discussing about the schemes which are under this Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. The first scheme is National Food Security Mission, Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana, that is Raftar, and Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture, National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture, National Mission for Agricultural Extension Technology, Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sanchalay Yojana, Kisan Call Center, ENAM, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Annadata Saksham Abhyayam, Green Revolution and Soil Health Card Scheme, Mission for Organic Value Chain Development for Northeast Region, Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sanchalay Yojana, National Initiative for Climate and Resilient Agriculture, Krishi Vidyayan Kendras, Mera Goon Mera Garv, and Pradhan Mantri Deen Danyal Upadhyay Unnati Krishi Shiksha Scheme and E-Karam were the schemes which are under Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. In detail, we'll be discussing in the further videos. And thank you so much for being here and keep learning. Have a great day. Bye-bye.